Are you able to see the formation or structure of the negation as we had done yesterday? So here we are now going to
Yes.
learn the negation part once again, where we have the structure of a negation, which is first is sujet plus ne plus verb 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 conjugation verb conjugate conjugate. D'accord? Then après we put plus object और जो भी उसके बाद हमें लिखना होगा, then we will write in this way. For example, je ne suis pas allé au restaurant. This is one phrase. Second, how do we use the negation? How do we frame the sentences in negation? Je ne trouvé. Trouvé say a verb qui signifie trouvé means search. Okay. Trouvé means find, to find, how to find. To find we can use in trouvé in French language. Okay. So je ne trouvé pas mon ami. Okay, I'm not find my friend. Okay, then if we are going to use in another way with the other subject like il, then the formation will same il no, the structure of the conjugation will change only. Okay, and rest all part will goes with the structure. जो वर्ब की कॉन्जुगेशन होगी वो अकॉर्डिंग टू दी सब्जेक्ट होगी. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पर इल था तो हमने यहाँ पर ईएनटी लगा दिया. ठीक है, je ne trouvais pas. Okay, so in this way we can use these sentences, and in other way we are going to use another subject which is L name. अब हमने नेम क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पर? इसको ऐसे ना लिख के इसको ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखा? Why do we use apostrophe? Because of the vowel. The word is starting with the vowel. So whenever the verb is starting with the vowel, and यहाँ पर भी अगर end कोई word हो रहा है vowel से और शुरू कोई हो रहा है end से, और दोनों एक जैसे मतलब दोनों vowel हैं, तो they will merge, ये दोनों merge हो जाएंगे और they will ऐसे हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, so they will we will write an apostrophe am. Okay, so elle n'aime pas la café. Okay, so these are the words where we can conjugate according to the subject, and the construction of the structure of the sentences will be same. Sujet plus ne plus verb conjugation plus object. Okay, to understand the more about the negations. Okay, here the exercises will available. This is the way we can form the negative sentences. Okay, for example, la form affirmative is je trouvé. This is the form affirmative. Then tu trouvé, il, elle ont trouvé, nous trouvons, vous trouvez, il trouvait, elle trouvait. Okay, so as we have already understand the conjugation part of the être avoir, you can see over here the ending part of the verb. Okay, e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. किसमें देखा था हमने ये इस तरह का जो फॉर्म है, किसमें देखा था? इन विच सेंटेंस, which type of sentences they will adopt this type of formation?
So articles.
Present. Okay, present tense. Whenever we are going to study the present tense, we have to understand the conjugation, all these. For example, we have done the conjugation of parle. Okay, which done as je parle. These are the radical form. How do we frame the all these verb in present tense? How do we conjugate? Radical form plus the ending. ओके, एंडिंग क्या होंगी? अब देखो, जैसे पार्ल में हम बात करेंगे, अब इसकी रेडिकल फॉर्म क्या है? पार्ल। पार्ल एक वर्ब है जिसका मतलब है टू स्पीक, इसकी रेडिकल फॉर्म पार्ल है। अब इसकी एंडिंग अब चेंज होगी किसके अकॉर्डिंग? अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट। जैसे यहाँ पर ज है तो ये हो जाएगा ज पार्ल। क्यों आएगा? तो क्यू के साथ रेडिकल वही रहेगी और एंडिंग क्या हो जाएगी? यस। देन वी हैव इल, एल एंड ऑन. Radical will be the same and the ending will be a. After we have nu. What is the radical? Radical will be same and the ending will be o n s. Then we have wu. Radical will be the same according to the structure and the ending will be az. And last we have form plurial il, l. Okay, radical will be the same and the ending is ent. So these form we will follow as we have seen in this affirmative sentence. So these form follow in the present tense. When we have done the conjugation of er ending verb, so we have already done this form, if you remember. Okay. With this part, we have done in similar way we can conjugate the verb aimer, which means to like. Okay. In same way, we can conjugate the verb regarder, which means, what does it mean by regarder? To watch. Aimer means to like. Parler means to speak. Vous pouvez copier ça? Est-ce que tu peux? So these are the most important thing when we are going to make the present tense. Okay, and when we are making the sentence framing. So these are the most important part. अगर आपको conjugation नहीं मालूम होंगी तो this will be the difficult part. You will be not able to frame the sentences in present tense. अगर आप sentence नहीं frame कर पाएंगे तो फिर आप बोल नहीं पाएंगे. ठीक है? So this is most important part. So you have to understand the logic behind the conjugations. अगर आप रटेंगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा आपके लिए और.